Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we're finishing up the customary capacity system this week with a quiz tomorrow. Okay, don't stand up and clap, Brianna. I know you're excited about quizzes, but just relax a little bit. And this review that you've got in front of you, that you should have probably worked on and gotten a lot of done yesterday if you followed the instructions that were given, should give you an idea of how to do it. We had a couple assignments on it. Those of you that did not do well on the assignments, you always have the option to get those.
And library, code red in the library.
You always have that option to get those 3 assignments up to 100. And all you have to do to get those up to 100 is to get 10 Dreambox finished. All right, so let's look at a couple from, we have 132 equals blank feet, and this is 132 inches. 132 inches equals blank feet. So, Silas, which is bigger, inches or feet? Feet. So we're changing from something small to something bigger, which means we are going to divide. We need to divide by the number of inches in 1 foot. Silas, how many inches are in 1 foot? 12. So in order to solve this, what is that noise?
What's the code red? It's
Oh, okay. We have 132 divided by 12. To solve that, y'all see, that should give us the answer. So, Silas, how many times does 12 go into 132? You don't have it done yet? All right. How many times does 12 doesn't go into 1? Does 12 go into 13? Silas, how many times? 1 time. Subtract. Silas, how many times does 12 go into 12? 1. Thank you, Silas. And so we get 11 feet. So 132 inches equals 11 feet. 132 inches equals 11 feet. All right, let's look at another of these. Now we're going to do 46 yards. It equals blank feet. 46 yards equals blank feet. Zane, what's bigger, yards or feet?
Yards.
Yards are bigger. And we know the yards, so we're changing from yards to feet. So we're changing from bigger, because yards are bigger than feet, which means we multiply. We're going to multiply by the number of yards in 1 foot. So we're multiplying 46 times 3. Zane, what is 46 times 3?
138.
138. And I haven't done the math, so speak up if you disagree, but I got faith in Zane. Okay? We went from a bigger measurement to a smaller measurement. Yards to feet is multiply. If you think about the hand signals, bigger measurement to a smaller measurement, this X kind of represents multiply. Smaller to bigger, this kind of resembles a division sign. So if you think of it that way, it should make your life easier. These are comparing with less than, greater than, or equal to. So we're looking at 12 cups and 98 fluid ounces. 12 cups and 98 fluid ounces. What?
What's the code red?
I don't know.
Code red.
All right, so let's get to
Code red.
looking at this.
Clear.
Now, Kaylee, do you like to multiply better or divide better? Divide better. Kaylee likes to divide better. All right? So we're going to change the cups to The ounces to cups is what she wants to do. She likes to divide more than multiply. So we're going to divide 98 divided by, Kaylee, how many cups or how many ounces are in one cup? 8. So she wants to change the cups to ounces. And she does that by using division. And Kaylee, how many times does 8 go into 98?
It goes into 98 12 times.
12 times.
With the remainder of 2.
With the remainder of 2. So this is 12 cups and 2 ounces. 12 cups, 2 ounces,
Yes.
which is greater than 12 cups. So 12 cups is less than 98 ounces. We could have changed the cups to ounces. If we'd rather multiply, we can go from cups to ounces, which is 12 cups times 8 ounces is going to give you 96 ounces. And so that again is the same thing. When you have the comparisons, you can change them whichever way you want. Some of you would rather multiply, so change the bigger one to the smaller unit. If you like to divide, change the smaller to the bigger. And again, you have a multiplication chart you could use on these types of problems. Let's do 34 cups and blank pints. Oh, no, not 18 pints. 34 cups to 18 pints. Again, less than, greater than, or equal to. Drea, well, you want to change cups to pints or pints to cups? Cups to pints. So she's going cups, which are smaller, to pints, which are bigger. So if we're going to change the 34, and since we're going from cups to pints, we have to see how many cups are in a pint, which is 2 cups in each pint. So we're going to do 34 divided by 2. 34 divided by 2, which is what, Drea? 17. So this is the same as saying 17 pints, and this is 18 pints. So 34 cups is less than 18 pints. 34 cups is less than 18 pints. Now, luckily for you, all the problems on the quiz tomorrow are word problems, so that's always good for you. I know. Let's look at the customary link from the back. I'm going to do 2 of those. So we'll say,
Weight.
what?
You mean customary weight?
Customary weight is what I meant. 160 ounces equals blank pounds. Pounds is LB. Pounds is LB. And I think they use that because it's Latin. And in Spanish it's libras. Libros? Libros? I can't remember which one. Do you know, Zoe? No? Alright, me neither. Me neither. Do you know? Okay. Alright, so we need to figure out how many pounds 160 ounces are. So we're changing from ounces to pounds. Ounces, which are smaller, to pounds, which are bigger. Now this is a different ounces. This is not fluid ounces. This is weight ounces. Not fluid ounces, weight ounces. So I'm going to do something with the 160, going from ounces to pounds, which means I'm going to divide. Then I have to see how many ounces are in 1 pound. Let's call on Travis. How many ounces in a pound? Look at her formula chart. Ounces in a pound. 16. So we're going to take 160 and divide that by 16. What does that give us, Travis? 10. So 160 ounces equals 10 pounds. 160 ounces equals 10 pounds. Let's do one more. of those fun little problems. 5 tons equals blank pounds. 5 tons equals blank pounds. So we know we're going to do something with 5. We are going from tons to pounds. So that means we're going to multiply. Courtney, how many pounds are in each ton? 2,000. So we're going to multiply 5 times 2,000. And what does that equal? 10,000. Awesome. So 5 tons equals 10,000 pounds. Which means if I continue drinking Dr. Pepper at the rate I'm drinking it, I will be 5 tons. And I'm going to say 5 tons instead of 10,000 pounds because 5 tons seems so much less when you say it. Oh, it's just 5 tons. Instead of it's 10,000 pounds. I mean, it sounds better. Sounds better. Boom, chocolate, peace out. God bless. Love you. Do something kind today. Save the bees. Please subscribe. I want to be rich so I can buy all the Dr. Pepper I need.